Hello students, up to now I have taught you in the teachment, but you are getting problem by audio and also video. That's why I have stopped just there itself. I am continuing the next problem and I am also upload in the YouTube session as usual. Just I have stopped the problem previously here. Just I will recall what I have taught you in there and I will continue the problems now. So, this is the exercise 1.3 problems. In this, I am teaching you the second problem 0.57 bar. So, here 0.57 bar can be written as 0.57, 57, 57 and so on. In this, I am considering the x as a given equation. So, here the period, the digits which are getting repeated is the 5, 7. So, the number of digits are 2 here. That's why the periodicity is 2. So, as the periodicity is 2, I am multiplying with 100. So, I am multiplying the equation 1 with 100. So, 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.57, 57, 57 and so on. So, this becomes the equation 2. Now, I am going to make the subtraction of equation 2 and equation 1. So, equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2, I am multiplying here 100 into x is equal to 100x is equal to 57. As I am multiplying with 100, the point moves 2 digits right side. So, the point is moving 2 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits. So, now the point moves to here. 57.57, 57, 57 and so on. And the equation 1 is x is equal to 0.57, 57 so on. Now, make the subtraction minus. 7 minus 7, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. 57 minus 0 is 57 is equal to 100x minus x is equal to 99x. Now, I want the value of x here. Nothing but the question 0.57 bar. Now, we shall see what happens now here. So, 99x is equal to 57. 57. Now, I want the value of x. So, 57 by 99. 57 by 99. So, we can stop the value here or we can just continue further also. So, 5 plus 7, 12. And this can be cancelled in 3. And 99 also can be cancelled out 3 because it is a multiple of 3. Now, 3 ones are 3, 2 remains, 3 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 threes are. 19 by 33 is the solution. Therefore, 0.57 bar is equal to 19 by 33 or it will be written as 57 by 99. There is a shortcut for this problem also. If you observe the previous problem, 0.9 bar, it can be written as 9 by 9. And look at here, 57 bar is 57 by 99. So, are you finding any logic here? So, in the numerator, whatever the question is given, it will be the numerator and the periodicity or the digits that are getting repeated 5, 7 is a 2. That's why 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. That becomes a 99. And here the digit which is getting repeated is the numerator. As the periodicity is 1, it becomes 10 minus 1. So, by not only by solving the total problem also, we can solve this problem in shortcut like this. So, it will be helpful for your competitive examinations. I think you understood. But it only possible like these problems. And if you observe this third problem, 0.729 bar. 29 bar. Here the bar is represented only for 2 digits, not the total digits of after the decimal point. For this we cannot write the shortcut like this. If the bar is given for the total digit after the decimal point, we can directly write down the shortcut answer here. I think you are very clear for this shortcut also. It will be helpful for your competitive examination. If for this type of problems we have to solve the problem total. So now I will solve the problem total and I will make it to sure what happens in the solution here. Third one is 0.729 bar. Here now let x is equal to 0.7292929 so on. So here the period is equal to 29. Now the periodicity is equal to 100. Okay, clear? Now I have to multiply with, periodicity is 2, So I have to multiply with 100 on both sides of the equation 1. 100 into x is equal to 100 into 0.72929 so on. Now it can be written as 100x is equal to, now the point moves 2 digits right side as well there are 2 zeros in the 100. 7 2.92929 so on. So this is the equation 2. As usually now equation 2 minus equation 1. We shall solve this. So 100x is equal to 72.92929 so on. Now x is equal to 0.72929 so on. Now make the subtraction minus. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 32 minus 0 is 72 and 100x minus x is 99x. Now I want the value of x 720 so by 99. Now again here still the decimal point is observing here. This can be written as 722 by 990. 722 by 990. Now we shall make the cancellation of this problem. So 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 9s are 18, 1 5s are by 495. So as these are both are primes to each other, we shall stop here. The answer will be 361 by 495. Okay students, so I think you understood these problems in this bit. Now we are going to solve for the next bit, third bit. What will be here? We shall observe here. Find x plus y divided by x minus y. Third bit, first one, x plus y divided by x minus y. So here it is asking to find out x plus y divided by x minus y. To find out the x plus y and x minus y, first we should know what is x and what is y. So now among this, the first one, x is equal to 5 by 2. Y is equal to 3 by 4. Is it 3 by 4 or minus? Minus 3 by 4. Now, first to find out the x plus y. So 5 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 4. Now it can be written as 5 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 by 4. Now, so LCM, take the LCM of 2 comma 4. It becomes 4. LCM is 2 goes 2 times. So 2 into 5 minus 4 goes 1 time. 1 into 3. So 2 5s are 10 minus 3 by 4. Now we shall continue. So x plus y is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7 by 4. Now we shall see x minus y. X minus y is equal to 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now again the LCM becomes 4. 2 goes 2 times. 2 into 5 plus 4 goes 1 times. 1 into 3. 10 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 13 by 4. Now I got the value for x plus y and x minus y. Now I am going to solve this. So x plus y, it becomes 7 by 4 divided by I am writing that as a divided by 13 by 4. Now it becomes 7 by 4. Division change into multiplication and it is becoming the reciprocal 4 by 13. Now 4 gets cancelled. Therefore x plus y divided by x minus y is equal to 7 by 13 is the solution. This is the solution of this bit and have to similarly solve the problem of the second of this third bit. Now I am going to solve the problem of fourth bit. Fourth bit. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. First, sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. So, it implies minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. So, 5 comma 7 are co-primes to each other. So, I can make the direct multiplication. 5 7s are 35. 5 goes 7 times. 7 into minus 13 plus 7 goes 5 times. 5 into 12. 13 7s are 91 plus 12 5s are 60 by 35. Now 91 minus 60, it is a 31. Which 31? Here 91 is a big one, that's why it becomes minus 31 by 35. Now it has finished here. Now I am going to see product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So, it implies minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. So, 13 ones are 13, 7 twos are 14. So, what is saying? Divide. So, you have to now divide minus 31 by 35 and 13 by 14. So, it implies minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. It implies minus 31 by 35 into 14 by 13. So, is there any cancellation possible? Anyone here? All are co-primes to each other. Now, just make the multiplication. 31 into 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 threes are 42. Minus 424 by 13 fives are 65. 13 threes are 39 plus 6. 45 is the solution. Now, we shall see the next problem. Before that, just give a gap. Okay, Nana? We are going for the next one. Before that, if you are having any doubts in the solutions, you can ask me through WhatsApp.